Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome and welcome back to Mercy Video Styles channel. I hope you guys are doing well today because me, as always, I'm doing amazing. In today's video, guys, I'm going to do a living room refresh. It's a great way to elevate your home if you don't want to spend money. And guys, you can use the exact same decor and just move the furniture's places, just move things around like that. You're going to have another look with the same furnitures. Okay, guys, as you can see, me normally I clean my home on a regular basis, and that's the reason why even you come to my home, you will think it's another thing, but it's the exact same thing. I just move them around just to create a luxurious vibe, like to make my home, take my home to the next level. And guys, I'm not sure, but I think this one is my last video for fall, because I already have a lot of things that came, so I just need to put them together so I can start decorate for Christmas. As you can see, I have great addition to my home, and guys, I'm so excited and I can wait to bring you guys some great content. As you can see, I have my fireplace, which is I was impatiently waiting for, and guys, I have other things that came, so I'm so excited, guys. This Christmas gonna be legit. So just come back to see how I'm having my home for Christmas this year, guys. And I promise you, you don't wanna miss that. In today's video, guys, I'm going to use the exact same rug. The only thing I'm going to do is to clean underneath of it and vacuum it. And guys, I'm not going to do the fancy folding. I'm just gonna give it to you just the way I do. There's nothing more refreshing when you are out, you come home is clean and fresh. And guys, this video today, I'm sharing with you a product. The name of it is Dovety. There's a spin brush. Guys, if you are someone that loves to clean and you want to keep your grout, your bathtub, everywhere throughout your home to clean effortless, this can be an option. And guys, you know, as I'm doing the holiday gift guide series, this one can be a good gift for yourself, for a friend, or a family. Everyone can be benefit from it. And guys, the price of it is unbelievable. And guys, it has two adjustable speed. You can use it, like I said, for tile, for floor, for bathroom, clean your kitchen, because with so many brushes, you can clean wherever you please. Guys, he has a retractable handle, and it's a cordless, very powerful, and for the price you're paying, it's worth it. And guys, as I said, if you are someone that loves to keep your things organized, this one is a very good option. Give you a small little bag so you can keep everything in one spot, so without losing nothing. So if something like that interests you guys, make sure to check the link down below, because me, and I'm loving it in making my cleaning more efficient. And guys, I live in Florida. I have grout, and to clean them, it's a problem. But with this one, it's an effortless cleaning, guys. Very powerful, cordless, and power cleaning. Very powerful cleaning, as you can see. So you're gonna save yourself some time, some energy, and some money too. Okay, guys, make sure to check the link down below if something like that interests you. The front entrance is a high traffic, so having this brush helping me clean it more often. And I picked up this grout cleaner from TJ Maxx. It was like $4.99. You don't have to use anything like that if you don't want to. But me, my home, as you can see, it's the entry It's a very high traffic, and the both entry meet with the kitchen. There's a lot of traffic, so that's why I like using quad cleaner. Okay guys, the link will be in the description box down below. Make sure to check it out if it interests you. And guys, let's go back, finish up the living room. And as you can see, my sofa, I really love this sofa because I'm very easy. I am able to change, put it apart and put it back together, and I'm so in love with it. So everything in my video, guys, going to be in the description box down below. If anything interests you, just feel free to check them out. And guys, that's the way I move my rug. So behind the scene, that's what I do. You know, I'm authentic. I just pull it. It's not recommended for everybody, guys, but me, I'm strong enough. I can pull it. But if you cannot, always fold it and have somebody help you. And guys, that's the way I remove everything just to clean the floor, because I love to keep my home fresh and clean all the time and every time. Every time I have a day off, that's the first thing I do, refresh my home. And guys, you know, I'm always going to share with you.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard.
If you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please guys, don't forget to like the video, to subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel, I do product review. Like today, I do clean with me, home decor, DIY, vlog, and lifestyle. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, guys, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be who I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all, and keep on watching.
Try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it.
I'm planning on changing those chairs after fall, because I've been have them in my living room for quite a while now, guys. I always want to change my furnitures, and for some reason I love those action chairs, but I think it's time for me. It's time for a change, and yeah, I'm so excited how my home gonna turns out, guys. Make sure to come back to see, because I'm going to do a lot of unboxing, and you know, I have to take time to put it together and to bring you great content. And guys, if anything I like to do is to do unboxing, I hope you guys can enjoy the unboxing with me. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci, guys. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amours, votre support Je vous aime.
Don't ever let it change. No matter where we go, no matter where it ends, as long as I got you, I'm not letting it fade. Don't go looking for reasons, asking for change. We got
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. C'est la première fois, moi je te bienvenue dans mon merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager la vidéo avec famille aux amis. Dans la vidéo, ça montre nous qui gens ou ka changer caillou avec même fourniture sans pas dépenser un pile corps ou juste changer bagay yo place et puis ouvrir un l'autre look avec même bagay yo. Et c'est pas la première fois tout, moi dis merci un pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo, hein? Moi aime nous.
waiting on the day when we got nothing to say.
I wanted to change the mirror place, but I said no. Let me leave it there, and I just changed the coffee table and the planter. And guys, I like how I did. And for this other corner, I had to borrow this from my bedroom since I'm not going to use it in my bedroom right now because time is for Christmas tree. And guys, that's why I take it from my bedroom. I put it here for now. So I'm not sure. But for some reason, I love it best where it is because I don't really like this empty corner. And like I said, this lamp, this floor lamp, I just move it place just to elevate the look better.
Don't go looking for reasons, asking for change.
This is the finished look, guys. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Even if you don't like it, I still want to hear from you. Leave me a comment down below.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive, yeah. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah.
For my green week, guys, they are fresh. And I'm starting to introduce live plant into my home. And guys, the green pillows from Burlington and the two blanket for Burlington as well. I'm going to start creating the list of everything. So check the box down below and you will know exactly where I got everything from. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And that's the end of it. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!